but we use this to switch off
the pump.
Yes, but also because it is ground force, it helps us if there is anything with the motor, it will show. Okay. Once you switch on, it will tell you check motor, check cable. Okay. So this is what we use to switch on and switch off. And you can see it clearly, it is telling you the current frequency at which the pump is running. So you can as well decide to reduce the frequency. Okay. Let me say, if we put a bigger motor, let me say if that motor went away, went off, and we don't have the motor right now, and let me say we have a bigger motor, or we want to reduce on the amount of water being pumped, we just reduce the frequency. Okay. Of the pump.
If you have a bigger capacity,
we reduce the frequency.
You can reduce.
Yes. Alright. And also, for when you're turning, when you go that side and just turn it on, it will go on immediately. But here we can set that when I turn on this inverter, it will take, let me say, 3 minutes to turn on to avoid the shocks and everything. Okay. For it to receive the power, but for the pump to turn on, it will take that time to turn on. So by the time it turns on, either 30 seconds or 1 minute, it will have stabilized. And this.
Can you explain the different parameters there on the monitor?
On the different parameters, this is the frequency, this is the voltage, the DC voltage, and this is the total kilowatts that we are getting. This is the current, and now this is the motor speed. The speed at which the motor is running.
It's rotating.
Yes.
It's like the vehicle.
Yes.
RPMs. This is it's rotating.
No, but one thing I can say from from the experience, because now we have very many RSIs, very many brands. This one is more detailed and user friendly. It's more detailed and user friendly because if this gentleman, he doesn't know anything, the pump operator, for him his role is to come and switch on and switch off. He will not do the diagnosis for you. But you see where I'm sitting. So if the system is on, how is not working, you will just give me a call. I'll tell him what is the motor reading. For other inverters or other size, it is difficult. This information now, like the rest, it can be there, but getting it, you need to be used to. You need to know how to set it. What an operator cannot do. So that's why I know that's not the reason as to why water mission zero to it, but for us in the field, that's why we love it.
Is this readable in a status?
Now, this one, it would have been online if we were still on the old system, where we were connecting the sat meters at the pump station. But now with this one, this is manually read. This is manually read. What is read online is what is at the tank.